Hello people, welcome back to 6th video of Healthy Diet Plan for Weight Loss by Flair Fusion. As we were talking about food portions, today, we are gonna cover the last part of food portion. And that is, fats. Fats helps us absorb vitamins, A, D, E, K. Fat cushions our body, and important for nerve function. Some fats are good for heart too. Fats are essential to give your body energy and, to support cell growth. They also help protect your organs, and help keep your body warm. We just need to know how much to eat, and what type of fats to eat. Now, discuss the portion size of fat. How much to eat? Portion size is the limited amount of food we need daily for healthy weight loss, where your body also get nourished. So we require 2 to 3 fats portion in a day. 1 portion is equal to 1 teaspoon. So you can have 2 to 3 portions of fats in your diet. Every kind of oil portion is equals to 1 teaspoon. For example, olive oil, sunflower oil, canola oil, corn oil, vegetable oil, or even ghee. All these oils have portion equals to 1 teaspoon. So, if we talk about healthier options, olive oil, canola oil, rapeseed oil, these are the most healthier one. Whatever your choice is, just stick to the portion size. So when we talk about fats, fats are not just oils. Many other things are also included in fats, like butter, mayonnaise, spread, cheese dressings, salad cream, margarine, cream. Now talk about their portions. Mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon is equal to 1 portion size. Salad cream, 1 tablespoon makes 1 portion. Butter, 1 teaspoon. Margarine, 1 teaspoon. Cheese dressing, 1 teaspoon. Olive oil spread, 1 teaspoon. Try to take low-fat products, that will be more easier for you because, as it contains less calories, but proper nutrients, you can also take a little more amount than this. Now talk about nuts. As I discussed in my last video of proteins, nuts are high in proteins but have fats too. So 1 tablespoon of nuts you should eat daily. It has many benefits. This portion size is excluded of fats or proteins portion. This should be definitely included in your diet. But keep in mind the portion size. 1 tablespoon is perfect. You can have any nuts in this portion, or you can mix them together too. I hope you guys understands this, and get a little more knowledge about proper healthy diet plan for weight loss. Must go for this diet plan. This is very healthy and beneficial and effective too. If there is any question, do ask me in comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Also press bell icon for further informative videos. Stay blessed and fit. Take care.